The court has spoken, and the answer is a clear no. Former Malaysian Prime Minister Najib Razak will not be serving his sentence from the comfort of home. On the 22nd of December, Malaysia's High Court rejected Najib Razak's bid to serve the remainder of his prison term under house arrest. The decision shuts down months of legal argument and political debate over whether a so-called royal addendum could allow him to leave Kayang prison and stay at home instead. Najib's legal team had argued that a royal order, allegedly issued by a former young Di-Pertuan Agong, allowed him to serve his sentence under house arrest. They said this addendum should be recognized and enforced by the court. But the judges were not convinced. The High Court ruled that the alleged royal addendum had no legal standing. Under Malaysia's constitution, any form of royal pardon or sentence change must go through the Pardons Board. In this case, the court said there was no proof that proper constitutional procedures were followed. The court also pointed out a key issue. Malaysian law does not provide a clear legal framework for house arrest in Najib's situation. Without clear laws or proper approval, the court said it could not act on the request, no matter how prominent the person involved is. As a result, Najib will continue serving his sentence in prison. This decision comes against the backdrop of Najib's long-running corruption case linked to SRC International, a former unit of 1MDB. He was first convicted in 2020 and began serving his sentence in August 2022 after losing his final appeal. Earlier this year, the Pardons Board reduced his original 12-year jail term to 6 years and lowered his fine. Even with that reduction, Najib is still required to remain behind bars unless further legal relief is granted. Outside the courtroom, emotions ran high. Supporters were seen in tears, while Najib's family expressed disappointment over the ruling. His lawyers have said they intend to continue fighting the decision through further appeals. Beyond Najib himself, this ruling carries wider meaning. It sends a strong signal about the limits of royal powers, the role of the courts, and how strictly constitutional rules are applied, even in cases involving former leaders. So here is the question many Malaysians and observers in Singapore are now asking. Should there ever be special arrangements like house arrest for powerful political figures, or must the law apply exactly the same way to everyone? If you found this breakdown useful, remember to like, share, and subscribe to 2230 for more clear and factual coverage of major stories around the region.